Warning for northwestern Elkhart County, Indiana, northern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northeastern Laporte County in northwestern Indiana, southern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time and 7:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near New Carlisle, Oregon, 10 miles southwest of Buchanan, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Elkhart, Mishawaka, Niles, Buchanan, Union, Bertrand, Buchanan, Dayton, and Vandalia. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 56 and 92. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Laporte, and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Michigan.